Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you've seen, I've actually uploaded here pretty frequently. Of course, it's going to be another Mustang kind of makeover video. If you've been watching the past couple of videos, we have installed the GT500 spoiler and the Icon Motorsports rear lower diffuser onto this 2015 GT. Big problem with this car now is it is completely stock, down to the exhaust. The marker lights are still not put in. They are actually sitting at the post office. Those will go in probably in the next video because we're going to do some stuff to the front end too. So I'll take care of that in that video. Small task for me to make a video on itself, but I'm going to do a cold start on this car. Has not been started today. It is automatic, so it does have a remote start. Sounds really anemic. If you've heard a stock Coyote car without the, I guess, the active exhaust, it kind of sounds pitiful. So that's pretty much just stock exhaust. Cold start. It's about 45 degrees out here right now, so nothing too impressive. So what we're actually going to put on this car, we're going to start out with just muffler deletes to see how it sounds. After that, we're probably going to do a resonator delete, but in today's video, we're just going to do a muffler delete. It is completely stock, like I said, stock manifold, still has the cats, still has the resonator, still has the mufflers. So I ordered some muffler deletes off eBay, not sure what brand they are, but they look pretty good. It's actually 4-inch roll tips instead of these little 3-inch tips that's on it, so it should fill out that diffuser a little bit better. Wish the tips were black. May powder coat them black later on, but for the purpose of this, we're just going to install the muffler deletes. So we have to load them up, head down to my buddy Aaron's. He actually has a lift, which is awesome, and we'll get this thing done. So that was kind of the before. So I'll do a quick install montage and then I'll let you hear what it sounds like afterwards. So kind of an unrelated thing, we actually put paddle extensions on this too. Like I said, this is an automatic Mustang, so we did put the paddle extensions on it. Does just kind of makes it look a little bit better. Don't really do a whole lot, just I guess gives that more of an aggressive look if you can do that. So we're going to take off. I'll give you some pulls. The tires aren't the best, so I'm like trying not to hoon on it too bad, but for now I'll give you some pulls. So this is just driving. Like I said, you can't even really hear the exhaust, and this is in Sport Plus. This doesn't have like the active exhaust or anything, but I'll shut up so you can kind of hear how it sounds driving. So like I said, not a whole lot you can do with it. Sport Plus does rev match on the downshift, so that sounds kind of good. So I'm looking forward to how it sounds with this box of muffler deletes. I'll do a quick pull. Nothing too crazy. Gets people with Taco Bell all riled up, but that's kind of what it sounds like. So let's go ahead. I'll throw in a little musical montage of the install. We do have to cut the factory mufflers off and then bolt these on, so let's get to it. sounds better than it did. Alright guys, so we got the muffler deletes installed. Really no drone. I figured it may drone a little bit with the muffler deletes, but right now we are cruising around 50 at like 1500 RPMs, even coming up a little bit. Not a whole lot of drone, as you can kind of hear. Downshifting sounds good when it rev matches. No crackles, no pops. Kind of sad about that, but I think when we do the SR Performance resonator delete, probably get a little more crackles and pops, and when we get the long tubes on, I'm sure it'll be a lot better than that. So those videos will be coming up. Ordered some long tubes, not sure exactly when they will be here. The resonator delete, I think, will be here this week coming. I think scheduled delivery is on December the 2nd, so I would say this coming weekend we'll get that installed. Next video is going to be front canards, like fog light canards for this car. Like I said, we're trying to make over this 2015 Mustang that has definitely seen better days. Just shooting for presentable, not perfection. But since we're stuck at a red light, let me give you some revs. Let me click this up in neutral here. Definitely sounds way throatier than stock. It should sound really good with that resonator delete with it. But I'll give you a pull on the way home, and then we'll wrap this video up. So this is going to be like just a 2-3 pull, just to kind of let you hear how it sounds. We'll go from about 3,000 RPMs to redline. So not overly loud, no major drone. Pretty happy with it for what it is. These are, I forgot exactly what brand it is. I'll leave the link down in the description, but they come off the eBay. I think they were $180. Came with the 4-inch tip, so it looks a lot better. Kind of fills out the rear end a little bit better. But cruising in 6th gear now, and really can't even hear them inside of the cabin. So no worry about drone. Maybe on the highway, higher speeds, maybe so, but kind of kicking around town here, it's not too bad at all. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Guys, if you like this video, if you like the build series so far, if you like the Corvette and Mustang content, hit that big thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. We're probably close to $6 grand or so. And I will see you guys on the next video.